King. Let's put hands together for Clean the Draw.
DJ Neptune, Rubilanshi, greatness. My boss, but Sarami
just off the equipment. Ogami, I'm happy that as I came on stage, you are the first person to come here. Honestly, I'm very happy. I don't know why you are here, but the reason you are here, that is why you're here. Ogami, that thing I did to you in VI, I'll continue to do it again. But one question, what did I do for VI? I did 2018 to you in VI. Okay, the year 2000, okay, I thought you were counting the thing I did. What did I do in 2008? No need for you to remind me because when you were coming, wait, shift this one first before you collect it out of anger. One thing I like about this man, no need for you to wait for him to come. His stomach will always announce his presence. As he was coming, the stomach came close to the stage before the man approached the stomach. My brother, sorry, let me ask you a question. How do you drive? Because hand and belly will be fighting for steering. This is the only man that can drive his hand, the car, without hands free. He'll be pressing phone. The belly will hold his steering straight. If he reach any junction, he want to turn this way, he'll do like this. The steering will motor will move. You're welcome. I love that very wonderful man. He ate 2 fish alone. That rest of that table ate 1.5. I saw it. I saw the fish. Why do you think that table has been making noise since? The fish finished, everything quenched. No noise again. I know, I saw it. The only person I don't understand in that little table, wonderful man, but I don't understand. I'm sorry. Power. I don't understand your power here. The only man I have seen that has no hair on top, only down. You're growing everything upside down. If there is no hair here and there is some hair here, only God knows what your local government area will be like. Power. For them to call you power, Ogami, you must be powerful. You can imagine. Check it on the table is the only one sitting out. The rest are sitting in. That's why you are out. You are out. Come, this thing that you're flying up and down, just make sure it's in areas like this, you fly it. Don't try it in Enugu, Ko Camp. Walo catapult, Melroy Valo. Ko Camp, your eyes are not correct. Just use catapult. This thing that they say nearly cannot kill a bird. I'm telling you, this comedy show is not easy. I've seen all my comedian friends. Please put your hands together for them. Some people were complaining that Ebo Bomb was shouting. Why is he shouting? How is this behaving like this? Don't you hear the name? Ebo Bomb, he had to explode. Why do you think it's normal for somebody to come, stand, do everything, sit down with a jacket in this heat that at the back they wrote start? This person pressed the start button, he finished the starting. Ebo Bomb, don't mind them, shout. Just shout, explode. Do anything you want to do. Just carry that name and go to the north. Your name will be Ebo Knockout. Because when you say, I'm Ebo Bomb, how's that man going to say, hey, I be Boka? Only you go say, no, knockout. Ebo Knockout. Ebo Banga. Honestly, it's not easy to do joke. Joke is not easy. See all the comedians came out here. Most of them talk waiting they know. The others lie anyhow. Talk lie that is not possible. Somebody say, somebody draw Jesus for armpit. My brother, what took you to a fellow man's armpit? No need to answer that question. Sit down. All these Okoko people. That's why, do you know the name Okoko in Igbo? In Ekeko. Too much. Talk. You even went back the second time to find out he changed to Bob Marley. And you know who he changed to. That means you spend time in another man's armpit. Armpit comedian. Honestly, I don't understand. I go do it. I'll go fall. And then I'll get back up. But you, a bomb, you go blow. Have you seen bomb that blow that come back together? My brother, once blow, finish the blow. Can you imagine? Not true. Blow money. Do you know when I came in, I saw BMG. I thought it was another meaning, you know, big masturbation. So, I mean, as in, sorry, I make them, so, body magic, something. Blow money. Do you know there are 2 meanings to his name? Blow money, that's to chop money. Or blow money. Are you an Igbo man? From Nnewi? Okay, that means you are the second blow money. Because it's only an Igbo man that can blow money. Like this. Do I have money in this pocket? Okay, wait, let me use. Where's that money here? Shut up. Okay, this money is yours. That means it will even, let me check the signature. Wait, spell your signature, let me know. Spell your signature, let me know. You must be the madman. It is only a woman that can actually blow money physically. Oyeka. Okay. Is that not blow money? I just blow money now. The only bad thing is if you blow money in the morning after chopping suya at night, and you blow the money in front of somebody with mouth odor, you commit suicide. I mean, where's my pocket? Somebody said, I know Clint. If you climb the stage, they spray money. He will not pick it. Your father. Once you get a ground, come and pick it. Go back. How do you feel now? How stupid do you feel now? I'm an Igbo man on stage, and you think I will not see money if it's still on the ground. When he spread it, I counted it. Even the forefathers of the money, I counted all of them. Ogami, let me pray for you. The prayer I want to pray for you now, the last person okay. I'll hold it. I should hold my prayer, no problem. Chopez, you know where he got this name? From the Igbo word, Jobez. So Jobez said Chopez. Do you know all the, wait, this guy, what's your name? Akobi? Thank you, you are correcting me even though I know. All the names they were showing here, they show it here. He called the name more than 5 times. Again, Igbo man and hustle. Igbo man answering Aboki. He came, brought all of us together, did musical show supported by comedians, and then used in between to do advert of and trust in God. That means that hospital, if you go there and you have problem, don't trust them. If you trust them, you are in problem. It's God that you are going to focus on. Trust in God, but they will still give you bill. Everything they show here, GTH, I don't understand, Ghana Television House, Cosby's Standard Ventures with Red Bull, which one? Countryside. It's only by the side, or drop one at the country. This one is very close to Badagry. Every one of them were Koma. Which one? Evander Holyfield. The thing will knock you head and corner. Ogami, continue. Which one? Let me finish. Come watch a cafe. Countryside. Trust in God, take my time. I will take my time and trust in God, my brother. I will. I promise you. Thunder, okay. Horsepower. If you buy this one and drink it, it is not power horse. Sorry. You kill yourself. Which other one? AIT. And this very one, they shoot the middle. This is the one that shocked me. Ladies and gentlemen, keep this here. Who did this poster for this man? You have to go and collect your money back. Because such as Toyota, Nissan, Guinea River. You don't have what? Sit down. Shut up. You have white beer under. Okay, BMG. Now you are blowing the money. May money blow you as you blow money. Your younger brother, your younger brother, and he's blowing money and you're begging money. This is blow money, BMG. Beg money, still BMG. Just like GM can be general manager, and don't forget, it is also gate man. I'm telling you. Well, let me leave these people. It's okay. With this one is where this thing even looks like a DJ. New age, man, I can't soon. And after new age, what do you experience? Old age. Aqua mistake, it was meant to be rainbow. It was meant to be rainbow. But okay, what do you call this? Robo, kibo. I don't understand this one. No. Ladies and gentlemen, what has Shawarma got to do with pistol and rings? This company is a company that is like this. This is the same company that produced Nokia iPhone Galaxy S6 Edge Plus by Techno. This is the only edible pistol and ring. Your car get problem, engine knock, they remove the pistol and ring, you wrap it and eat it like shawarma. Please let me talk what I came here for. Please. Today is Mother's Day. Please, if you, yesterday, today has turned to yesterday, and yesterday is now today. So tomorrow will not be yesterday when today does not want to be tomorrow. By yesterday, after today. What am I talking? I've succeeded in confusing myself. I'm drunk, you're not just noticing. Now, it's now you're noticing that I'm drunk. My brother, this is your voice. Were you formerly deaf and dumb? Because the way you're saying, Talk now, let us hear. Why are you begging? You talk now, you beg. It's either you beg or you talk. Choose one. Don't beg to talk or talk to beg. Honestly, Mother's Day, I celebrate Mother's Day well, but not very much from my heart because of my mother. My mother mothered me. The mother that mothered me, oh my mother is my mother now. She mothered me. Who fathered you? Is it not your father? Then who mothered you? Is it not your mother? I don't understand this thing that they do to women. Women thing will be different from men. Later they say we are equal. That's how in English they say give her book. How many times did I say her? 2 times. Thank you. Then say give him. Who say his book? If you say her 2 times, you say him 2 times. Give her book. Give him. Give them. Give us. Give we. Give me. Give I. Give you. Oh my God. I'm telling you, this thing, I don't understand. My mother, my father can slap. Oh. My father's slap is from the ancestors. Sometimes his slap is like evoke Shango, God of thunder, and he's an Igbo man. Evoke Yoruba slap. When he slap you, my father can slap you from one language to another language, then slap you back to the first language. Something like this. Where are you coming from? You'll be trying to explain. My friend is my friend. My friend. He said, come on. Oh, you went out. You went out of this house, eh? You went out. That is my friend that was doing a birthday. Tawa. So sikanje. Okay, Lueba. Amam nadi. No, okay, take your time before Mbata. So can you name Tawa? I decided to come back home so that you will not know, but you came back before me. You will not cry, you won't know. You switch language. My father, if he was playing table tennis, no tennis will pass him by. Backhand stroke, ta! They ask you your name. You call the neighbor. My father slap. That one is okay. My father, we know, he's a man. But my mother slap. I am showing my mother that mothered me. Your mother mothered you too. I can prove it. Do I prove it? Do I prove it? Good. My mother was the only person that will slap you as a child and tell you to do the opposite of what you are meant to do. My mother, where are you coming from? Did you wash the plate? Mommy, I have not washed. You didn't wash the plate. You didn't sweep the house. What kind of child? Ta! Shh. If I hear your mother's mothered you. I'm telling you, once she said that thing, if I hear film, at that time you want to hold the cry. You will be holding the cry down. The cry will be coming up. You are holding it down. It will be coming up and down, up and down. You'll be sounding like motor that has plug problem. You'll be sounding like this. You're holding it. At that point, your mother will look at you. Tears, that one has no control. It will be flowing. She'll pity you and say, I am wondering, oh. That's the last thing you want to hear in that condition. Because once you hear, Oyandro, oh, the second plug will have problem. The sound will increase from Oyandro, oh. Do not tell you, oh yeah, sorry, bear. Oh yeah, tell me, where did you go to? Let me tell you what will happen to you. If you try to explain, both you, your mother, and anybody around that area will not understand what you say. You will not even understand yourself. What you will now say is, okay, I said, come here, but where, okay. must cry that cry. You must cry it. Am I lying? Ogami. Thank God though. I thought it was only stomach was coming. Thank God now breast is following it. Honestly, cup B. Pick the one that is yours. Pick it. See, 200 naira. Pick it. That's the one that I saw it. Is it your saw? Is it not my saw? I saw it. 1,000 come with the river. An Igbo man with Yoruba tribal mark. Go back. You don't even know where you're from. You're not Yoruba, you're not Igbo, you're confused. Honestly, I'm telling you, this thing, you know, I noticed something. A lot of us like this table have started again. Did they bring fish in that table? Power. Have they brought another fish in that two people's table? What are they discussing about? Is it the fish? Did they bring another fish? You started discussing again. And that man is always the moderator. You're always the moderator of that discussion. What do you think? No weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. My brother, your voice is not good for shouting. Allow the other guy to do it. Was Aboro before. Capital oil. It must be from a country to have the capital. Are you a small letter or capital letter? Capital oil. Good. Find the country. Power oil. That's the country. Then the capital of power is power. My brother, don't confuse me. I'm already confused. As I am now, I'm not in a good place. Confusing me furthermore is not a good further. I'm telling you. See, let me say this one finally before I round out. Please, whoever you are here, if you are dancing Nigerian music, please be careful of which dance you dance. All the Nigerian dance step, all of them, from way back to now, they don't have a good origin. They do not have a good origin. I mean it. Now, let me do it this way. I'm not even going to, I'll allow you, call the name of the dance steps from the old one down to the new one. Let me tell you how their origin is. Are you ready? Start from old one. Swa is from an Hausa man that came in. Who shouted? He must be from your lineage. That came to Lagos for the first time. He did not understand that dance and to shoot bow and arrow are two different things. He did there, they dance, he look. Be like saying I'm robber. But the music is sweet. He's dancing. Hey, next thing, he carry bow and arrow just in case he see shadow. Is that not so? Good. Yahusha is from a man that used to, he's very intelligent, very sharp, in fact, the best in his class. He graduated, started working in big company. They give him project. The project was too hard. He didn't know what to do. He decided to add Igbo to what he has been thinking. So he carried Igbo. He smoked. He was thinking mathematics, doing everything, thinking. Do X raised to power 5 times 2 is equal to. He write. He'll think. Next thing, the Igbo cut one wire. Bing. Is that not Yahusha? Mini madness. Which Galala is from somebody that came to Lagos for the first time from Owerri. And he knew that where he's going to, they told him either enter Ojota bus or Jibo's bus. And he did not know which one to enter. This one was almost full. One chance remaining for it to be full. This other one chance to remain to be full. They are shouting, last chance, we are going. This one shouting, last chance, we are going. He's confused. Which one do I enter? This one or this one? Kebe ngaba chime buemo ndi aga happen na. Is that not galala? Thank you. Which other one? Krukere. Krukere is from some. Who said Azonto? Officer, please take him. Doesn't know Azonto is from Ghana. I said Nigerian dance step. Which one did I say? Krukere. Krukere is from a man that Krukere. Okay, it's from a man that was. He's a cripple. The two knee cannot bend forward. It only lock like this. So normally you walk like this. So when music start playing, oh my God, I like this song. Oh, hey, whoa. Can you imagine? Hey, is that not Kukere? Etigi? Is a Kukere not Etigi? Kukere is, Etigi is the dance step they dance in the song. Alanta? Okay. Second, Alanta, I'm confused. Second, let me start with second because it's the relation of that man with knock knee. But second is only one knee that knock. The other knee is good. He walk like this. And then music start playing. He didn't know. Oh boy, see music. Oh, I like this song. And he's a beggar. He wanted to enter the club to dance. They push him. Get out of here. I say, Me? I will enter this club. They push him again. Hey! Which other one did you say? You say Alanta. Alanta is a dance step. If you go down to Yaba, go left. You see them there. No need. You see that it is not normal for a human being to come out in front of his people, his friends and enemy or enemy. And next thing he start doing. You know when madness hits you from village. Let me finish with one now before you leg back. When madness hits you from village, it starts from head, then it go all over the body. That is why if you go to Yaba left, madness department, you see them. Is that not Alanta? Which other one? Shaku Shaku. Shaku Shaku is from that same one-legged man that they chased out of the club. He now decided to go and beg money. As he's begging money, and you know when you're begging, you beg like this, car go this way. As you're begging, car was moving. He was now asking the lady, please give me money. My eye, he has one blind eye. He was like, please give me money in my eye. Okay, that's shocking. I'm shocked. Which one did you ask earlier? Wait, one idiot at a time. One idiot at a time. Don't rush it. All of you cannot fool yourself at the same time. Let me do Shaku Shaku. See, the one I know. I don't know this other one you people are talking. This one, Shaku Shaku, is from somebody that stole something in the market. As he ran, police pursue him. Other market people chase him. Market people, police join together, pursuing. That is, they purchase him. As they purchase him, he ran, enter one corner, look left, look right. He didn't know which way to go. These people are still approaching. He was saying to himself, where do I go to? Do I run this way? Do I run that way? These people hold me, handcuff me. I can't escape. I am stuck here. Chineke me. Where do I go? Do I go here? Do I go here? Do I go there? Where do I? Is that not it? Then, wait, which one, this new dance step, the most stupid dance step in Nigeria. This one. Thank you. This dance step is the most useless dance step. It started with a very, very dirty man. The man is too dirty. So he went to his house, brought out a box that he has not used for like 4 years. As he opened the box, cockroach full the whole ground. He started shouting, hey, see cockroach, oh, I need to kill all this cockroach. What is happening here? Sirato! Thank you very much. God bless you.
Downfield.
I hope you can hear me because I don't understand the tail of animal that they gave to me. Anyway, this was Aboki. I just finished performing in Aboki show, MC Aboki. It was a lovely show, lovely outing. I fool myself very well. When my children watch me, they will now say, yes, Daddy, very fool. I am proud of MC Aboki. What he did is not easy, but I know anytime, any day, is somebody that is not being supported. If you miss this, well, you have missed it. Just forget it. So keep watching, keep listening. Please, as I go to peace. Where do they peace here?